It can be so frustrating when you're on vacation or you're traveling from work, but your Netflix account won't show the same content. Don't worry, I got you covered with 5 simple ways to enjoy Netflix from different countries. So first, use a VPN like ExpressVPN to change your location. It's super easy. Just download the app and connect to a server in the country that you want. Next, check out Smart DNS Proxy for a quick and safe way to unblock Netflix. It's another cool trick. You can also use browser extensions like HOLA, H-O-L-A, to help you switch regions fast and for free. You want more control? Try using Smart DNS or Surfshark. Both are going to help you access Netflix libraries from other countries. Finally, consider setting up different Netflix profiles for each country that you visit. So don't let country restrictions stop you from enjoying Netflix. With these simple steps, you can unlock so much more content. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment what worked for you, subscribe, and thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.